So you've sent what feels like 100 resume, and all you're hearing back is crickets. You know you're qualified, but you feel completely lost in the sea of applicants in this 2025 job market. Your applications just vanish into a digital black hole, and you're left wondering if a real human being ever even see them. What if I told you there is a hidden strategy that the top 1% of job seekers are using right now? A method that doesn't just get your foot in the door, but actually has top employers reaching out to you. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the AI secrets that will take you from being ignored to getting offers. Let's be real. The old way of job hunting is dead. It's not just that there are more applicants, it's that the gatekeepers have changed. I'm talking about applicant tracking systems, the ATS, that most companies now use. These are AI bots that scan your resumes for keywords and context, deciding if you're a good fit before a recruiter even sees your resume. But it goes deeper than that. In 2025, knowing your way around AI isn't just a bonus for tech roles, it's quickly becoming a core expectation for almost every professional job. Employers want to see that you can use AI to work smarter, communicate better, and solve problems. So if you're not using AI in your job search, you're not just at a disadvantage, you're basically invisible. So how do you get this almost unfair advantage? The first secret isn't about becoming a coding genius overnight. It's about developing practical AI fluency. And the great news is it's never been easier to start. You definitely don't need a fancy computer science degree. You can start with courses that teach you the basics of how AI works, and more importantly, how to actually apply it. Then earning a recognized certification like the IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate or the Google Advanced Data Analytics Certificate sends a massive signal to employers. It proves you're serious and that your skills are both up to date and verified. This isn't just about learning something new, it's about building an arsenal of credible, in-demand skills. Okay, let's talk about tools. The second secret is to weave AI into every single part of your job search. First up, your resume and cover letter. Stop sending the same generic document everywhere. Use an AI platform to analyze a specific job description, help you customize your resumes so it's a perfect match. These tools make sure you get past the ATS bots and put the exact skills the hiring manager is looking for front and center. Second, your networking. Instead of just scrolling aimlessly, AI can analyze your professional network, point out valuable new people to connect with, and even help you write personalized outreach messages that don't sound like they were written by a robot. It takes all the awkwardness out of cold messaging and helps you build real relationships. Third, and this one is a total game changer, AI-driven interview prep. Platforms like Final Round AI can put you through mock interviews with questions pulled directly from the type of roles you want. You get instant feedback, not just on what you say, but your tone of voice and delivery, helping you build insane confidence. You can practice structuring your answers with storytelling frameworks like STAR until it's second nature. Of course, you're not the only one who is doing these types of practices. So if you really want to leave your competition behind and ensure that you will get the offer, you can sign up for Interview Aikido Practice with Yes. Not only will you be answering the interviewer's questions, but you will also learn how to ask questions that will positively influence the interviewers at both logical and emotional level. You'll be able to find out about any hesitations the interviewers may have about you and how to coach them to overcome their own concerns. As the icing on the cake, your questions will reveal information you can use during salary negotiations and use the employer's own justifications to pay you what you deserve. The final secret all comes down to your mindset. Top candidates don't just put AI on their skill list, they show it in action. They think like a problem solver. In your applications and interviews, don't just say you know AI, show how you have used it. Talk about the project where you use generative AI to brainstorm a killer marketing campaign. Explain how you use data analysis tools to uncover an insight no one else saw. That's the stuff that really impresses people. And remember, AI is here to make your uniquely human skills even better, not to replace them. Emphasize how these tools make you a sharper communicator, a more creative thinker, and a more efficient team member. The goal is to show you can blend tech know-how with essential human skills like leadership, critical thinking, etc. That combination is exactly what companies are desperate to find in 2025. If you're ready to take back control of your job search, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share new strategies every single week to help you land your dream job in this new age of AI. And I've got a question for you. What's the single biggest wall you're hitting in your job search right now? Drop a comment below. I read them and try to respond to as many as I can. So forget to get lost in the pile. It's time to build your AI fluency with real training and certification. It's time to use AI tools to supercharge your resume, networking, and interviews. And it's time to show employers that you don't just know AI, but you know how to use it to solve real-world problems. The 2025 job market is tough, no doubt, but with the right strategy, you won't just be another applicant. You'll be the one they have been looking for.